Why should you buy a Calcana patio heater? There's a number of reasons to do that. One, it is engineered for the restaurant industry, period. There are other competitors that are trying to copy us, but there's only one Calcana. What separates us from them? Several patents. First off, we're the only product on the market that will modulate. You can control this heater on/off, or you can turn the heat level up or down infinitely, anywhere from low to high. So much like you're trying to cook the perfect souffle, you need temperature control. Now you can heat your customers perfectly on the patio. Another great feature, you will not see any open flames, nothing glowing red. Pure, safe heat. Fuel efficient. We turn all your BTUs from natural gas or propane into heat. No light. Perfectly even heat from one end to the other. Engineered to withstand outdoor elements. It'll start up in a blizzard. It'll start up in a hurricane. It is safe around plants. You can see that these are live geranium plants, and they're not affected by the heat whatsoever. Several models to choose from. Our high output series, we have our 5-foot unit here, which is our PH40HO. Variable input from 20 to 40,000 BTUs, heats about 50 square feet. It's our big one that heats about 120 square feet, and it's PH75HO, 10 foot in length, 75,000 BTUs maximum, minimum 37,500. This one does about 120 square feet. If you have a large patio, you can use multiple units and different models of multiple units to make a configuration. We can custom design a system for you. If you want to send us your drawings or dimensions, we will simply put it in our computer, do a free design, and show you the type of heaters you need and cost it out. Very easy to install. They come pre-assembled in a box. Open them up and have your local HVAC contractor install it and put the gas to it. We appreciate the support from the restaurant industry we've had in North America, and looking forward to another great year with Calcana in USA and in Canada. Thank you very much.